Kani gade gapati CCTV.
Kumba kalong menta ke Samla batai thamai nong rom. Ke Samla ke balaj banyak kon hak jeng kop ke bahek jongkari. Ke balapnya de ke Zing TV channel. Ke rensan ke balatip kum ke Yes I Am. Kalau poi shadow ke final round. Hak ba kane ke Samla kanye kene banyo ra e kanam la do ha badang ki waipat ki Samla ki badan yela ki waipat ki sap ki pong. Nalor ke jing bisar jong kinong bisar hakane ke rensan. Ki Paidbah ru ki dan ke benta ke bakrau banyak simenta hakaban penjab ya kene ke Samla. Dah ke vote ya ka leng ba ke Facebook, YouTube, bat kiwe de ki rukom. Ban pan Jingkyrshan ki Paidbah. Hne ke sngi ka khatnyo trek wiayong ke Samla batai thamai nong rom leng ba ki nong pathai kubor. Kalabu ke Jingkyrspa de ki Paidbah ban ai ke Jingkyrshan ke ba purai ka. Dah ke vote Haka kerteng jongka. Haka ni ke jing kendo ba ki nong pathai kubor lai don lang ru wei ni ke nong side an jong ke Supreme Court ba Daniel Stone nong line. Ubalalong tengru Presiden jong North East Student Human Rights Organization. Ubana kaliang jong uru ulabu ke Jingkyrspat ya ki parlok jong ki weipat ke jela jong kani kathan cetai lamingi ban Kyrshan ya kani ke Samla.
So now I proceed to the grand final of India's biggest reality show of Yes I Am. So I need your support not only here in Meghalaya, all over North East and India, because North East is like my home and India is like my beloved country. So please support me. With your support, I think I'll be rich. I'll become the winner of Yes I Am, India's biggest reality show. Please vote for me. Irrespective of caste, irrespective of religion, irrespective of greed, irrespective of colors, and irrespective of complexion. So please vote for me. Please मुझे vote करो.
Kani gade gapati CCTV.